This is the story of how an armless man turned this ex-500,000-mile delivery van into something rather special, using mostly recycled materials and just his feet. Day quite a few of building a camper van or a day van out of all recycled stuff. And today's girlfriend brought down some sofa cushions that she found by the side of the road. And that's definitely what you call recycling. Anyway, they smell a bit doggy in that, and so pulled the cushion covers off, revealed this absolutely lovely foam. Actually, it looks a bit rough, obviously, because it's like I've just cut it with a knife, and it's but here it is. So I've cut it to the size I want it, and it fits a treat. So basically, it's going to mean that I've got a seat cushion, and a back. Now that back, I didn't have the right shape foam to make one big back, so I've just got it in two halves. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to upholster it in one, like stick it together with a board behind, or whether it's going to be two smaller cushions. But it works out quite well as the bed, and yeah, there it is. Looks very rough at the moment, but once I've upholstered it, you would never know. And the foam is absolutely lovely. It's really nice and sort of quite firm but soft, if you know what I mean. So you can't feel the wood through it. And that is underlay, and I'm thinking I might actually put a layer of underlay on top of each one before I upholster it. And I'm going to upholster it with a duvet cover that was given to me by Jeff. He gave me this old duvet cover, so I'm going to cover it with that first, and then something else, so that it's going to be double covered, so that any smells or anything hopefully get neutralised. But yeah, that is what you call recycling, guys. I know I'm a bit of a hobo for doing that, but I love recycling. That was free, and it'll be good enough for me. Just to show you that I can cut straight. There, saw line. There. That's a foot cut. Nice and straight, so I can cut straight lines. That'll do nicely. Look at that. Recycle. That's the back of an old wardrobe. That's the foam off an old sofa.
You gotta do this. You gotta do this. You gotta do this.
I'm aware this bit of wood might fall apart, but I have a plan.
You gotta do this. 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 You gotta do this.
Slowly but surely she's coming together. That's lush, that is. Look at that. Oh, let's get my tap over there in the corner. Cool. This side of the wardrobe putting in now. Just I don't know whether to have a curved edge or a straight edge. Looking good though. All recycled. Wardrobe, boat sink, old barrel, wardrobe, charity shop.
You gotta do this. 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 You gotta do this.
There. We need a countertop made out of a wardrobe side.